Okay,
and when
okay.
you just
Did you
turn
pay
it.
for this shit or not?
No, I didn't pay for it.
We got in a dryer.
We used somebody else's.
69.
We took somebody else's clothes out.
John says ass. That's my
Jesus.
which is why he's not here. Actually, which is why I wish he was here.
Oh man!
You lost your virginity in your ass, huh?
Was it in a box with a fox? Neither.
No, it was with-
I've never been with a
it was
fox.
with a cock,
in her
so-
box.
Or in the box.
How'd that get gross?
All right, what happened there? All right, next question.
Is worth 15 points. Name somewhere you wouldn't want to be during a rainstorm with a fox in a box.
In the rainstorm?
During a rainstorm, like, okay, I'll give you an example. Let me see.
You can see that? Things, they do wonders.
Okay, so for example, on a motorcycle,
That is awful. Don't do that. A bicycle sucks too.
I've been on a four-wheeler in a rainstorm.
Sandra Rainey Hicks, is that live or live? Live or live?
That's like data or data.
Look, you live your life, I'll live my life. Outdoor concert.
I don't know. I found outdoor concerts to be pretty cool. When
I thought
as long
Hootie
as
and the
they're good.
Blowfish and Bare Naked Ladies was fine, but I was prepared.
Well, what is that? The amphitheater?
Yeah,
On the
we
downhill.
were on
So
the,
you
we
weren't
were on
really
the
getting
lawn.
wet.
No,
You
we
were
were on
just
the
getting-
lawn. We were getting pelted.
Yeah, but you were on the hill.
We were getting pelted.
Okay. But
The
you
rain
weren't-
was sideways.
all the water was down there where everybody was sitting.
Yeah.
though. Yeah. So
But that
just the
doesn't mean
rain
we
was
stayed
hitting
dry.
you.
It didn't feel good.
Yeah, well, it was hot out.
It was cold. It was cold. It was cold rain. The sun didn't come out for 3 days.
That sounds like a song.
No, it's part of it.
You realize that getting mushroom stamped and pelted are two different things, right?
Hootie and the Blowfish.
Right. Her dad's shooting beanbags at you is not being pelted. You're being run off. Dean Barber, what up? Dean Barber, where'd you lose your virginity? If you say my cousin, I swear to God.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You were way too old. David Scott says camping. So, okay, what animal did you find in the woods?
Wait, we're not doing it.
The fox in a box?
So if me and a fox were alone in the
I
woods.
think he means rain egg.
No, it was the one you put on your bed when you were a kid.
Like-
His uncle came in.
Oh, so he's camping on his bed,
Well, yeah.
and his uncle came in.
So he gets that answer right either way, whether he said my bed or camping.
You win.
Only because he's David Scott, and I'm afraid of him.
Should I
John
be
Min
afraid?
says Haiti. Like, what do you bring back from Haiti?
disease.
That's judgmental as fuck. Dean Barber says cousin.
Well, that's pretty
You lose
judgmental,
5
too.
points.
Have you never seen The Wizard of Oz? I wouldn't melt. Yeah, you're sugar, all right. I've met you.
I think she meant she was the Wicked Witch.
Yeah, I know.
I know. I was just explaining it. You need a break.
You can Jameson.
I got Jack.
Not right here, bro. It's not that kind of show.
Oh, damn. The Jack show, huh?
15. Her name was Cindy. Was it in a tree? I didn't even know they knew each other. All right, let's give the answers. 8 people said outside. 7 said a boat. 7 said driving. 5 said concert. 4 said beach. I gave Stephen Henry it because he said outside concert.
Okay.
That's outside.
All right.
I had.
What do you
that's
mean
the-
outside, though?
Okay, it's not inside.
But you're still outside, so you're not in the arena, or are you outside?
It's
of
like
the
your
arena?
sex life. You're outside the hole.
I
haven't
mean,
been in the hole in a long
outside
time,
of
so I don't
the
really know. I'm
dome
out
at
of
the
it.
amphitheater counts. The fairgrounds, before there was a theater there, remember when it was just a
Stop!
Oh, okay, all right.
hammer time?
Everyone say hello to Spicoli.
Hello.
Spicoli.
Spicoli, hello.
Spicoli!
This
EV!
virus really is bringing people out of the woodwork.
Jesus.
The Eric virus has showed up.
Definitely not me.
The Spicoli virus. Love you,
No, it's
Spicoli. Thanks
15
for tuning
points.
in. All right, last
so
question.
This last one. All right,
Yeah.
Stephen Henry has 30 points. Everyone else, oh, nope, I'm sorry, 30 points. Willis has 5. Mintz has 5. David Scott has 10. Tip has 15. Last one's worth 100 points. Let's make this happen.
Did it.
See, Cindy says, Dean, you swore you'd never tell. Don't trust a guy that fucks you in a tree.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus. All right, here we go. Last question. Name a phrase with the word fuck in it. Name a phrase with the word fuck in it. One of the most multi-usable words.
It's everything.
there
It's a
is.
noun, a verb, an adjective, and that.
It's every-
Yeah, preposition.
What the fuck?
are you doing here? That's the.
Hey, you asked me to come in, so
I'm happy you did. Actually, now I just wish you would do number 3.
what is number 3? I can do 1 and 2.
That goes back to where'd you lose your virginity?
Where the fuck? Stephen Henry says, motherfucker. Tip Money says, fuck me.
Where? In the tree?
I don't know.
In a fox? Or on the
think
fox?
she,
In the
she
box?
was saying it to her husband, and she
Oh,
got the
okay.
voice to text
All
thing
right.
going.
Okay.
Damn you, Alexa.
She's like, Eric, Eric, fuck me. And she didn't mean to do that.
Well,
fuck a duck.
if you're
I love
quarantined-
that. Fuck a duck is one of my favorite things to say in the whole world.
I've never heard that.
Are you
Fuck a
kidding
duck?
me?
No.
Fuck a duck.
Wow.
I guess I'm
You
lame.
ever tried it?
Fucking
Chickens,
a duck?
not ducks.
It's hard. It's hard to keep him down.
Well, chickens too, man.
I just like the
They got
noise they make.
claws.
I feel like I'm doing something. That's right. Take that shit.
It's a goose, right? Not a duck.
Min says, Tom motherfucking Brady.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
The guy with the Buccaneer tattoo on him.
The fucking, yeah. Fuck is like Visa. It's every swear you want to say.
Wow.
That makes
Did he just
sense.
do that?
Wow.
Did he just do that? Listen,
Wow.
bro. For someone so slow, he was pretty quick.
Yeah. That was good.
I'm posting that, and you're not getting credit. There will be no dash Stephen Henry when I do
It's
this.
on the internet. You don't have to trademark it.
Highlight, copy, paste, my own.
Trademark.
All right, let's make this happen. All right. 10 people said, what the fuck? 6 said, fuck you. 6 said, fuck it. 6 said, shut the fuck up. Actually, I think 13 said, shut the fuck up. And the last one said, I want to fuck you like an animal.
That's a song, right?
Yeah. 9 Inch Nails, baby.
Can I gaze into his eyes when I say this, please?
You can.
I want to fuck you like an animal.
All right.
I'm not sure which animal yet. A duck.
I hope it has 4 legs.
Don't. That's not a vent. I use that hole.
Oh, hell no.
Pretty small, bro.
Yeah.
It's like a chicken.
Why does your duck just spit? It never squeaks. I don't understand. Daddy, this rubber ducky's fucked up.
It's like a peep with a cream filling.
Peeps are gross. Ducks
are
are
terrible.
delicious. All right, so we've been gross enough. We're going to take a break.
We got a winner?
We have a winner. Oh, you know who won? Mike Willis. Tell me who has 100 points next to their name. It's you, asshole. Mike Willis. Mike Willis wins with 105 points. You got
Wow.
one question right and won the game. Welcome to Family Feud. Sandy, welcome. Open Mic Live. So we're going to take a break. When we come back,
They're just being nice to me.
we're going to...
We'll
You're
be
going to
back.
do some harmonica.
Oh, am I?
Mike's going to do some harmonica. We're going to play a song. We're going to play an extra song while we're... During the
Yeah,
show.
we're going to take a break.
Is that cool?
Me play a song? Or
No,
take
we're
a
going to
break?
talk for a minute.
Yeah.
We're going to play
Yeah.
music during the show.
Yeah.
Because their music is way better than our rhetoric.
Yeah.
For real.
So this is what I got to say, Mike.
What do you want?
Blow it good.
Oh, no. He stopped talking to me, and I needed him to kill some time.
So listen, okay, listen,
up.
Mike, use fuck